Hello everyone, welcome back to our journey of transforming from zero to a tech hero. So in today's session, I'll be taking you through the Microsoft Word Office, where we shall be learning how to type, save and format our work. So in some cases, you'd find the Microsoft Word Office located at the taskbar. This bottom part is called the taskbar. But in case you don't have yours at the taskbar, don't worry, don't feel shaken. You can just scroll onto the search bar. This is what we call the search bar, and type Word. As you can see, the Word app just pops up. So as we wait for the after logging into the Microsoft Word Office, you find a list of documents. You have the blank document, the blog post, among others. There are many things up there. So you just tap onto the blank document since we are going to start typing our own work. So for my case, my blank page is dark because of my preference, but in case you prefer a white one, you can still change it. But for my case, I prefer it dark. So let's get typing. I'm just going to make it brief since it's for educational purposes. I'll just be showing you the basics of typing, how to save and format, okay? So this is what I'm going with. This is my statement. So while typing, in case of an error, let me give you an example on that. Let's say so just like your phone, the computer has that ability to autocorrect, where when you misspell something, it either highlights, it underlines it in red or blue depending on the mistake. So when it's blue, it's mainly the spacing. In most cases, it's the spacing, as you can see, because I've double spaced this, it's showing that there's a mistake. So when you click on it, it will bring you an option to ignore, or in case it was indeed a mistake, you just tap on the actual one and it autocorrects it. So as for saving, since this is a very first time saving this document, you come on to File. As you can see, there are many options. You scroll down to Save As, because it's our very first time saving this work. Save As. Then you can just save it to this PC. Okay? But first, let's save it to this PC. So for this case, I'll just save it as hello. But for work purposes, it's better. I would recommend you save your work from Word 97 to 2003, because in most cases we have different computers. So what you may be able to access on your computer may not be accessed on other computers unless you save it in a particular way. And for this case, I'd recommend the Word 97 to 2003 document, because it can be opened on any computer. So in case your boss asks you to submit work, or the lecturer needs you to forward something, it's better to forward it as Word 97 to 2003. So tap on Save. And as you can see, when we go to our file, you can just go and search for it there. You have that option. As you can see, it's even here, hello. This is what I saved it as. You double click to open. As you can see, this is what we have. Next up, how to format. So in this case, formatting, I'll be teaching you how to space and choose the font, to use the font and spacing, paragraphing and all that. So just use this, you highlight everything. To highlight, you right click your touchpad or the mouse and scroll down. As you can see, start up here, I right click while dragging. Yeah, that's how it is. Or you could just tap on it and press Ctrl A. Ctrl A. Yeah, so in this case, as you can see, we have options of bolding, italics. Let me tap on it. As you can see, my work is bolded, and to unbold it, I'll tap again and it goes back to normal. Italics, as you can see, the letters are a bit slanting. Yeah, then when you want to underline, another options, we have bulleting, but let's go with that. So in case you want to change your font size, same thing, you highlight your work. Come on, as you can see, we have this and this. This is for the font. Yeah, font sizes and their options. You can choose up to, as you can see. Are you seeing? Yeah, so this is what I mean. But for my case, I'm using font 12. Yeah, then this Calibri, it's mainly how your text is. Okay, the format you're using to type your work. Yeah. For professionalism, I'd recommend you use the Times New Roman. Yeah. This is what we call the Times New Roman. Yeah. So that's how you save, format, and type your work. So I forgot to mention this part with the different details. As you can see, we have the various options up here. This is what we call the toolbar. Yeah, this is where you get ideas on how to paragraph, how to, yeah, so for paragraphing, this is the section for paragraphing. We have when you want it to be one side, do you want it to, as you can see, it's changing from how I would like it to be. Then this is for the spacing. You can choose how much space you'd want in between your work. Yes, and for bulleting, these are the options we have. Just come onto here and choose. Yeah. So that's about it for today. Thank you. For those who have liked and subscribed, I highly appreciate that. And in case you haven't, please subscribe and follow my channel for more videos. See you in the next one as we go through the creation of the table of content. Yeah, I'll be guiding you how to create a table of content faster. Thank you. Bye.